Anderson College is one of Canada's oldest colleges, having opened its first location in 1885. Anderson has trained over 150,000 students during its over 140 years of history and continues to be an empowering partner for those who are experiencing career challenges and transitioning to the next phase of their lives.
Our paralegal program is a 12-month program, with 1 month being devoted to placement or a co-op study. To become a paralegal involves, first of all, attending an accredited program. Anderson College's program is an accredited program accredited by the Law Society of Ontario. Students must successfully complete a course of study in the paralegal diploma program, and then they have the opportunity to write the Law Society exam for paralegals. It's not until that point that they would become licensed. At the beginning, we do an introduction to law, and an introduction to law explains the basic function, how laws work and are created here in Canada, and a little bit about the history of it. The Law Society of Ontario provides guidelines, rules, and bylaws that cover our moral, ethical, and legal duties. As we move further on in the course or the program, we start talking about more of the specifics. We start talking about how laws develop, most especially criminal law and civil or contract law. Where does it come from? How does it get here? And where is it now? What's the importance of precedent or case law? And that's a doctrine called stare decisis. As we move further into the program, we start talking about things like tribunals and boards, agencies.
They have a way of teaching which is very tactical, and I love it. George, I find, is very hands-on. He uses his life experiences to teach us.
The first time I was like, I did my work, I did my homework, I did my research, but the public speaking was something I was struggling with. I studied more and more and more, I got more familiar. Became student of the month. This is when it became at high peak.
After completing this program at Anderson College, they should be confident and feel competent to go forth in the world and actually act as a paralegal.